Alright guys, so my next project here is the little solar panel charger battery maintenance system. So I heard mixed things basically about this, mainly good things. I guess it's supposed to really recondition the batteries and charge them very well, and get rid of the buildup that is inside the battery. And I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I heard some mixed things. Some people said that it could affect the electrical box of the Humvee, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and install it. And I really like the concept and really like to have my battery charged all the time, even if I don't use the Humvee that often. Yeah guys, so I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to install it. Probably the most simple place is to install it on top of the mushroom here, and then run the cord down into basically the engine area, and then into the cabin to connect to the batteries. I wasn't sure I could even do it like maybe here or maybe here, but then I have to run all the way down through here. So I don't know, I think this is probably gonna be the best place to do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do here, let's see what comes here with the system. And it looks like it's pretty simple. Basically that part connects to the batteries here, and then this is the actual charger, and that comes with a pretty long cord, which for sure I'm gonna have to cut it somewhere, just because I won't be able to get it into the cabin here unless I run it through the doghouse, which I'm not sure I want to do it that way. So let's start and see how we're gonna do this. Alright, so I've decided to cut the cord here so I can get all of this through here. Alright, there you go. Now this part will go to the battery, connect to the batteries, and then I'm gonna send through the rest of this here. The first thing I'm gonna start here is just to paint this part, the first like 4 feet, because I don't want it to be red. So I'm just gonna paint it in black and let it dry for a minute. Alright guys, so this is what I did. I actually ended up taking those screws off here. And I think I'm gonna run the wires through here so I can't see them, because I wouldn't like that. So I already took this off here and mushroom off. So I'm gonna see if I can run those wires inside here. So it looks like this is actually gonna work pretty well, and run all the way inside, come out through here, and then it will go in. Now everything is running nicely here and going inside. I'm gonna tighten it. Alright, so basically everything very neatly sits inside that channel under the cover. And yeah, I'm gonna have to paint here again touch-ups, but after I paint this in brown, I don't think even it would be noticeable. So yeah, it looks much neater like this. Be good to go. Alright, so I'm at the point here that I put the sleeve on the wire. And I'm basically gonna go down there and start to send the wire through all the way to the battery box. Okay, looks like it's in the box. Let's go and pull it a little bit out there. All right, so I got it here, going all the way from below to here. There it is. So I can cut the excess wire here, and it's all nice and protected. Looking good. All right, let's connect it. Alright guys, so I have decided I am going to put this unit right here. That way I can run all of the cords from here, the wires, and also I can see the light on top of the unit there. That would be this light. So I can tell if it's charging or not. And yeah, figure I put it here. So let's go ahead and mark. Next, I'm just gonna put that thing in. See how it's gonna go in. One, and it comes with those like rubber things on it. So there it is, right there, and I can still see the light. All right, cool. Let's hook it up. Alright, so next I got this guy right here ready to connect. I'm gonna just run that here. Missing all my tools. We're in the middle of a move and I just don't have my tools with me. So I gotta do all of this with a knife, unfortunately. I'm soon gonna change my batteries because this is not good arrangement right here. The positive is so close to the metal here and I don't like it. And these are just these are great batteries, but Golf Planet kind of like just put them out there in the Humvee just to get it going, not necessarily to for it to be as a good solution, more of like the cheap solution. So I definitely don't like that. So everything is connected here. I'm gonna put another zip tie. Alright, I'll let it dry. Should be working tomorrow when you get some sunlight. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are in the next day here and I just wanted to connect everything. I did connect it last night, but I didn't want to leave it like this because I just preferred to be around the Humvee on the first day, at least when everything is connected, so won't be any surprises here. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it and let it charge. I already checked and it is showing the red light above the charger, which is great. It's charging, but I'm gonna go ahead and permanently connect it and then let it charge. All right, so I'm going to connect everything, but I've also decided that I don't like this connection here because I want to be able to have like a quick disconnect. So I'm gonna do that real quick and connect the little connectors here just in case, so I have them. All right, looks like everything is good in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect these guys. Actually, my negative is already connected, just a positive I disconnected. I don't like to I just don't like to leave things before I test them, so I didn't want it to start charging and when I'm not around, basically, you never know. I am just about to change a lot of things here. Like I said, I'm going to connect 24 to 12 volt reducer, and then I'm going to connect a new, like a fuse box for all of my 12 volt stuff. So that's gonna be much more clean in here. I don't like this, so I want to clean it up, especially when I'm just about to have much more stuff connected, like stereo and a bunch of other stuff like lights and all of that. So yep. All right, so let us connect this together. And it should be charging right now. I'm gonna check. All right, not sure if you can see it, but my little light here on top is working and it looks really nice and bright. Yep, there you go. So it is connected. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that liquid electrical tape on this, so it's just less exposed, and zip tie it nicely here, like that. And that's it, and we'll call it done. Yep, there you go. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Just wanted to have like a quick disconnect in case that needed here. I don't think I ever need to disconnect it, but thought it would be a good idea. So, but yeah, it looks like it's all good, all sealed. All right, everything is more dry now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start zip tying so it's nice and neat. So less loose ends here and less loose wires means less rubbing on stuff and less issues. So trying to make it nice and neat. Definitely gonna change that stuff here. I need to put some covers until I change those batteries because this is not good. I don't like this. I don't like the way it is. So I'm gonna wrap it again with electrical tape, but this is just temporary here. All right, so next here, temporarily, I'm just gonna wrap some electrical tape so I separate this board here from the metal. Terrible, but these are not the batteries that's supposed to be here. Like I said before, I think this is just from what I understand, just a temporary solution for just Gulf Planet, so they can like get those Humvees up and going. So that is not good. If you guys have the same issues with your Humvees, with these batteries that they put in that are not matching, just you know, I'd love to know about it. Just write it in the comments. And also to learn what you guys did to prevent issues with those. It would be cool to kind of like know about that as well. And I think that's pretty much good. This is a temporary solution, obviously. Very temporary. Alright guys, this is a wrap. So we are done with the installation of the solar battery maintainer. Solarizer IS24L battery, solar battery maintainer for the Humvees. We're done with that. I'm so happy I installed that. Heard some mixed things about it. Heard some people said that it could cause some issues with the electrical box in the Humvees. I heard great things from other ones. The military used that. That's all I know, but basically it's a cool device that uses pulse electricity to basically break down some buildup on the batteries. And don't quote me on this, so I'm not any specialist with the car batteries, but it helps to just keep the batteries for longer life, give them longer life, and the main thing, it keeps the battery topped up and reconditioned when you don't use those batteries every day on the Humvees, and sometimes just would use the Humvee every once in a while. So I love it. It looks great. Seats right on top. I hope this video helps you guys. Stay with us for the next one.